not only for the lecturers of Zimbabwe, but for the working class of this country.
Yes. Yes.
We cannot sit back and accept a clear haste robbery of our sweat and our work as workers that happened after October 2018.
Yes.
You cannot have a situation here, a salary, reduce from 2,250 to less than 250, and we continue accepting that. No. When we are at the highest institution of learning in this country, when we have the constitution that guarantees every employee the right to a fair and reasonable wage. Yes. So we want to welcome and congratulate you, Zamaitanas. This is a lawful strike. This is a lawful picket. The university committed itself last Saturday when we went court, but it is not going to interfere with this strike or with this picket. We want to send a message to some recalcitrant madhina atakanzwa nemachairperson atiri kunzwa kuti vari kusenda mameseji ekuti ukasauya kuzoisa mapepa eexam kuexam board ziva kuti contract renewal yavapo. We now have 2 of them. Tinoda kuti vaite 5. 2 is not enough. And then demonstrate to them the width of the law. Gavasiyane nechunhu chechedu namapfumo naMinister of Higher Education. Kana uri dean, kana uri chairperson wedepartment, tora zvimafuel allowance zvauri kupuwa wonyarara, because mari yatiri kuda ichabenefita newe. Saka these are our colleagues. We are just sending them a warning, a friendly warning at this stage. The Labour Act is very clear that any person who interfere with the right of an employee to exercise their rights commits not only an unfair labour practice, but also a criminal offence, for which you can go to jail for 2 years. So we will not hesitate. We will not hesitate to prosecute not only the university, but also individual deans. Internal security aripano, as well as senior management, asset protection, who are going to interfere with this strike. So colleagues, do not be afraid. As you can see, your leadership has been ready to take and lead from the front. And what we have done today, comrades, as I've said, is historic. But we must ensure that not a single exam paper is marked from today going on. We must ensure that not a single examination board sits from today going onward. We must ensure, comrades, that if you get a call from a dean, a chair, who says to you, come to the lecture room, come, you just ignore it. Data nderenyu. Ariziravo. Phone ndeani. Aiziavo. Laptop ndeani. Aiziavo. When we say you are on a lawful strike, it means at law you are entitled to withdraw your labor. You are entitled to withdraw your service. Now the labor and service which a lecturer does is the work of teaching, is the work of invigilating exams, is the work of marking exams.